Hey everybody, this is Miss Florida Hot Picks here, giving you guys another pick 3 video, and today we're going to work on a strategy for pick 3 of Jamaica. Yes, got something special for you guys. For those that are outside of Jamaica, stay tuned, because guess what? A lot of these tips and these strategies I'm seeing in other areas as well. All right, so we're going to go ahead and get started, Jamaica. I'm noticing your early bird draws are giving another hit during the course of that day. So I want to show you how to lock into a real simple 1, 2, 3 rundown and show you how you can lock in a potential hit. Okay, so on May 25th, you guys had an early bird hit of 652. And we're going to go ahead and show you guys how to count out a rundown, just in case you don't know how to. It's really simple. You're just going to add each of these numbers to the columns. So we'll start here. 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. For lottery math, only use your ones place, your 0, okay? 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6, okay? You're going to do the same thing with the second row. 2 plus 5 is 7. 7 plus 2 is 9. 9 plus 2 is 11. Only use your ones place, okay? Your 1. And you're going to keep going all the way down. You know that you did your rundown correctly because the numbers that you start with are going to be the numbers you end with, okay? And you'll do the same thing for this row. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. Keep going all the way down, okay? Once you get your rundown done properly, I want you guys to pay attention to your right side, okay? I want you to go ahead and find and locate your double numbers on your right hand side, okay? So on the right side, I see a 1, 1. That would be our first doubles, okay? I'll square that off for us. You're also going to have a second pair of doubles. Look at this 1, 6, guys. 1 and 6, they are actually the same number. Okay, I know you're like, well, that's not the same number. In lottery math, they're what we call mirror numbers. Okay, 1 is the same as 6. It's just the opposite of the number. Okay, make sure you guys jot down your mirror chart to learn, because you will need this. Okay, a 0 can also be a 5. A 1 can be a 6. A 2 can be a 7. A 3 can be an 8. And a 4 can be a 9. All right. Now, once you locate your doubles, 1, 1, and your mirror doubles, 1, 6, remember they're the same numbers, guys. I want you to pay attention to the number in front of it, okay? Let me get another color here. I want you to pay attention to the number in front of it. You see this 9? This is an indicator that this could be your first potential number, okay? So you're going to go up 9, 8, 7. I want you guys to stay there. All right, you see this 9, 8, 7? When you look over here on top of your doubles, you're going to see this number repeat. Look at this. Watch this, guys. 9, 8, 7. You see that? So you have a 9, 8, 7 here, and you have a 9, 8, 7 here. Write those down. That's a potential hit. 9, 8, 7. Okay. All right. Now, I want you to do the same thing with your mirror version. Let's go down to your 4. You see that, how that 4 is in front of those double mirrors? That's the start of your numbers as well. We're just doing the mirror version of it. Just in case they decide to do a switcheroo, you can also do 4, 3, 2. Remember, 4 and 9, those are the same numbers. 3 and 8, that's the same number. 2 and 7. So I would also write 4, 3, 2. But also, you notice here, it's a 9, 3, 7. Sometimes they can do that. 9, 3, 7. Remember, 4 and 9, they're the same. 3 and 3, they're the same. And 2 and 7. So I would write that down too. 9, 3, 7. Okay. So right now, those are the numbers I would play for the rest of the day. Guess what happened, Jamaica? Y'all know I ain't playing with y'all. 8, 9, 7 hit. Look at this. 8, 9, 7 hit. It hit the morning draw, the very next game. Yes, right from your early bird rundown. Yes. Okay, so you got it twice. 987, and then you also have it over the doubles. 987. Now be careful, because sometimes they may go lower. They may want to go under the doubles. Okay, just see if the numbers are matching up. Let's take for instance this 901. Do you see any numbers that reflect a 901 in the box outside of that double? No. So you see that these match. 987, 987. Okay, that was a flag. That was a hot flag saying definitely look over here. Okay, and they should play sometime during the day. Now, can I tell you exactly which game it will hit? No. So just work on paper, go backtrack. I want you guys to pay attention, okay, and see if you start noticing the patterns for yourself. Okay, now something happened on May 26th. Okay, so I was trying to use the same strategy here, but there was a change in the rundown, and it happens. So I'm going to show you what happens when the doubles are closer together. You notice on the first pattern here, you have a 1-1, that's your double, and then you have the second double on your left side. You see that there's a space in between there, but if you notice here, you have this 8-8 and this 6-6. They're really close together. Pay attention, because sometimes you'll have to look at the pattern a different way, Jamaica. Okay, and even those outside of Jamaica, pay attention to this. Okay, so we're gonna again start. When you see this is letting me know that wherever the double is or the double mirror is, you may want to play those numbers. And this is what I mean by that. You see this 665? I would probably play that 665. I would probably play this 887. You see how that's the double? So we'll go 788. Also look at your mirrors. Okay, you have a 83, which is the same as 88. 83, 88. So I would look at this whole number 283. I would play that for the day. And then I would also do 160. See how that belongs to a double mirror? It's the same as 66, but it's a 16. That's the same. I would play that straight, 160. Or play all those numbers. Now, whether they hit straight, I don't know yet. Guess what hit? You guys had 2 hits that came May 26th, the same day, but different games. The first hit that came out was 016. Guess where that was, Jamaica? I ain't playing with y'all. Look at this. 160 came out as 016, your drive time number. Yes. Guess what? It happened again. You guys got another hit from using the early bird rundown. You guys got a second hit off of this rundown. 788. That hit your last number, your evening number. Yes, that's it. So pay attention to the patterns. Look at what the rundowns are doing, okay? So I've given you guys 2 examples of what to look for. Let me know in the comments how you're doing with it. Play on paper first. See if you're catching the patterns. If you're coming up with the right numbers, play on paper first. And then when you get comfortable, then you play as desired, okay? Now, if you haven't already, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of these tips, okay? And if you thought this video was beneficial, definitely give me a thumbs up. I appreciate it, guys. And that is all we have for now. I will see you guys on the next video.